Hey guys, this is Mike from B-Tech Reviews here, and today we take a look at and unbox the Jlab Studio Pro wireless headphones. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and it's been a minute since I've done any type of unboxing when it comes to Bluetooth items, and I've been kind of wanting to do a Jlab unboxing. Now, if you haven't heard of Jlab, they make a lot of wireless and audio equipment. As far as microphones go, I've actually tested out one of their USB microphones a while back, and I've known for a while that they've made studio quality headphones. In this case, I picked up the Studio Wireless Pro headphones. I picked these up at Best Buy, so I'm going to try to post up a few links down for you guys to check out below, the Amazon and Best Buy links, whatever. But in this case, this Studio Pro headphones was under $50. I paid $31, a little more after tax. If you saw my last vlog, you saw that I was able to get this for actually less because I had a $10 off rewards coupon from Best Buy. But anyways, so let's get into the unboxing here, guys. Again, it says Studio Pro, so when I see the word pro on anything, I'm gonna think that this is professional level stuff, right? But in this case, for the price, it kind of it's kind of misleading for me, I guess. It says your kind of tech, hashtag your kind of tech. So I'm going to put that out when I put the unboxing there. According to this, though, it does have 50 hours of Bluetooth playtime. It says music to go. It says microphone total control, cloud foam comfort, custom equalizer sounds, and universal mic volume track control, which looks like you can just turn the volume up and down from the actual headphone itself, which is pretty good. Power on and off, obviously, right? And it does come with a charging wire down there. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. So again, guys, I purchased this at Best Buy. I was actually, there's tape on the side here. So let's get that going. Hold on. I'm like, let me try to open this, but no, fail. Unboxing fell already. So as you can see here, there's like a little bit of tape on the side here. But for the most part, I've been wanting to, again, unbox something that's a little inexpensive, right? And this channel is called B-Tech Reviews. The B stands for budget, by the way, guys. So if you guys are not wanting to spend like, $300 on Beats headphones, I'm probably going to end up just ripping this because it doesn't look like it wants to come off. But there's a lot of options as far as headphones goes out there, right, guys? And I've been able to, on my channel, I've been able to look at and test out several Bluetooth headphones, speakers, earbuds, etc., whatever you want to call them. Let's go ahead and put this back in the background just so you guys can kind of see that there. But here are the headphones. So again, these are over-the-ear headphones, and definitely I don't think they're going to compete with Apple's headphones to any means, right? But for $30, hey, you can get yourself a nice little pair of headphones. Hopefully the sound quality is good in them, as I am going to test these out here today, and I'll give you guys my feedback on that. Let's take a look at what else is in the box here. As far as that goes, looks like you just get welcome to the Jlab. Something did fall out, I think. Oh, here's the little charging wire, which I believe it is. It's actually a USB Type-C cable. So shout out to Jlab for not using micro USB, because I know micro USB, a lot of companies still use that so that they can I guess make the product a little bit cheaper. I wouldn't say cheaper as far as quality goes, but everyone's transitioning over to that now. So again, here are the instructions, right? Bluetooth pairing. You just have to turn on your Bluetooth. I am gonna connect this with my Pixel 7 Pro, guys. So just a heads up, I'm going to do it with Android. I normally link it up with my iPhone, but today I'm gonna link it up with my Android device, my Pixel 7 Pro. So we're gonna get that going, and of course, easy to follow instructions from the looks of it. Literally, it's just a few pages here. It has a charging indicator and whatnot. So let's go ahead and let's see if we can get this turned on and connected. All right, so we are going to try to get these turned on. I didn't connect them or anything like that, so these should, I'm hoping they have a charge already. But just before we connect, again, you guys can kind of see here. Let me widen this up for you over here just so you guys can see. But again, they are pretty flexible. These, as far as the earmuffs, they do feel very, very soft and comfortable. So I'm gonna hope that, you know, they're not, you know, hurting the ears too much. I kind of just don't like that there's like exposed wiring here, because they did have another pair of headphones that didn't have that, and this just feels very, very not pro quality. If I could just be 100% honest, this looks like it could just, let me see if I can zoom in back to 1x here. Okay, hold on. Okay, am I doing that right? Let's see. Hold on. There you go. 1x. So again, cool logo, right? I do like the logo. If I can be 100% honest, they do just feel very plasticky, and it's not a very, I guess it's not a very appealing, you know, shiny to it, I guess. I don't know. I guess, you know, we'll see what happens once I get them turned on. But again, the power button and the volume up and down button are right here. So let's go ahead and press the volume button. Let's see if I see any like light indicator. There we go. You can see the light turning on the bottom there. So I'm gonna wait for them to turn on here. Hopefully, see if they just pop up in my pairing device. Let's see if I can go back and then go back to my Bluetooth connections again. Maybe it's gonna take a while for them to pop out. Okay, these are saved devices. Connection preferences visible. NFC's on. Screencast. Yada yada yada. So I would assume that the pairing is on. Here we go. Pair new device. Mobboy. Here we go. So they already popped up there, guys. It's going to be the Jlab Studio Pro. So I'm going to go ahead and get that connected. And I'm going to put these on my ear just so that I can, yeah, sure, why not? So that I can get this connected. Okay, so the battery is full. I can tell you that much. So let's go ahead and change the shot here really quick, guys. All right, guys. So I can tell you that they are very comfortable. They're very lightweight. I have a hat on, right? So, because I don't want you guys to see how bad my hair looked. But they are very lightweight, and you know, they fit pretty snugly around my ears, and they're somewhat noise canceling. Like, I can still hear myself talking, but if I had these on, which I don't have them on yet, I'm gonna put some, you know, some YouTube music on or something like that. I would definitely be able to tell. Let me get like YouTube up over here so I can maybe see if I can listen to like a song, and I'll probably play something for you guys in the background just so that you guys can you know, see for or hear some different type of music, right? So YouTube actually has some new music coming out on their beta stuff going on with that. And don't forget to smash the like button, by the way, guys. Let me go to downloads really quick. Let me see if I can get this going. Hopefully it works. Let's see. Okay, we're testing it out now.
Here in the now, we live above the shadows. Foreign somehow, we are beautifully created.
I'm trying to get the volume all the way up. Okay, first of all, hold on, let me see if I can get the volume up a little bit higher.
Welcome to Pump It Up Work.
Okay, so, you know, just listening to this, right? And it says I have listening controls also, which is pretty crazy. Yeah, that's a YouTube thing, I guess. You know, I picked something that was going to have a little bit of bass, and I can tell you right now that the bass is not very good. And I wouldn't say it's bad. It sounds good. Like, it's clear. It's definitely not as loud as I would like it to be. I'm trying to see if I can get the volume to go up a little more, just to see what's going on here. But I think it's as loud as it can go. Okay, so I guess first impressions, definitely not horrible. And let's change the camera shot back so we can kind of look at the headphones a little bit better. All right, guys, so you know, my initial thoughts or my impressions, and I only really had to listen to one song just to kind of figure out how, you know, good these are and whatnot, right? You know, again, not being, you know, I bought these myself, right? Jlab did not send these to me, but you know, if Jlab would like to send other headphones or, you know, products of theirs out to me, they can find my information on you know, my YouTube page or my Twitter page, whatever you want to call it. But pretty much, you know, for the price, you know, I think they're okay. Like, I don't think that I wouldn't necessarily call them pro quality headphones, especially because of the build quality. I just don't feel like, I feel like, even though, like, I feel like some of the material is good, and then I just feel like some of it is not good. Like, I just feel like this right here, it's just, I don't even know how to explain it. It feels like a cheapy plastic toy that I can get at the Dollar Tree or something like that. But you know, again, that outer plastic portion, you know, it does, like, the headphones themselves, they're very light, they're very sleek. You know, again, as far as, you know, listening time, I'll have to save that for another video, right? Because it says 50 hours of playtime, right? It says custom equalizer sounds, right? So maybe I have to download like another app or whatever for that. I don't know. It just says custom equalizer sounds. I don't know what that means exactly, but I guess I'll have to look at the functioning a little more, because it says you can change the equalizer, and again, I'll have to look into that. You know, this is just based off what I'm doing right now, right? But according to this, right, it says volume down, click once, and then you can change the track backwards. But if I want to do volume up, click once, track forward, right, it says change equalizer, signature to Jlab signature sound with amplified vocals and bass, and then they have balanced. So there's 3 different. So again, just based off what I was listening to, you know, I want to say it was probably the balanced, or maybe it wasn't, definitely not the bass boost, but there is, these do give off bass, guys. Like, I'm gonna tell you that much. Like, these, I'm gonna have to mess around with the settings a little more, just so I can kind of try to figure that out and see what's going on with the bass, right? Because I know it can be better than what it's sounding like. It says volume down, and it says track forward, volume up, click once. It says change equalizer. I think you have to press them at the same time for that to go down. So I'll have to look at that, right? But you know, again, based on just, you know, plug and play, right? You know, if to the casual user who is just going to, you know, listen to music, you know, on a regular basis, you know, take these out while they're waiting, you know, on the bus, or, you know, playing a game or whatever, you know, they're not bad, honestly. Like, you know, I still don't know if I would put the pro name, you know, on this, but at the same time, again, you know, for $30, you know, again, guys, I got these for $30 at Best Buy. You know, definitely something to look at. You know, again, the headphones, especially in the markets like right now, are pretty expensive when it comes to like the expensive stuff like Apple. And if you look at brands like Beats, which is owned by Apple, technically, you're looking to spend $300 and upwards on just a pair of earbuds or over the ear headphones like this. So again, you know, Jlab's, you know, considering, you know, that these are only $30, I think they did a relatively good job. But again, they might reconsider putting that pro name on the headphones. But overall, comfort wise, they're pretty good. Again, I have pretty big ears, and these fit right over my ears just fine. The inner lining of this is very soft and smooth, so I can't complain about that. I wasn't feeling the wires that stick out. So, but you know, one wrong move, and if you pull this or something happens the wrong way, these might get, you know, cut or torn or whatever you want to call it. You know, the reachability of this, you know, you can rearrange this, you know, or, you know, if you have a bigger head, you can make them wider or smaller, whatever you want to do. The volume and the power button is right there. You have your USB-C port right there for charging, so you can literally just connect it with any phone charger or any type of USB charger, as long as you have a Type-C cable. But other than that, guys, that's going to be my initial thoughts and the impression of the Jlab Studio Pro. Again, guys, if you like the video, smash the like button. If you guys like the channel, don't forget to subscribe. And as always, we'll see you guys next time. Okay, thanks again for watching.